Sam has decided to redecorate. And he's pushing all the furniture around the house. Now you're not going to do it? Sammy? Are you staring at yourself in the TV? Yeah. Oh, you're going to walk over there? Okay. Go get it. Oh, kill yourself. Dan, are you playing Wii Fit? Here, Mom will move it. Look. There. No, it's out of your way. You have a messy face. It's a hat. It don't fit you no more. What is that? Is that a hat? It's a hat? Is that a hat? It's a hat. Can you say hat? 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 Hat. Is it a monkey hat? See, look, it's monkey. Look, look, look. 2 ears, it's monkey. Monkey! 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 Hat! Are we watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse now? We're done playing. Okay, so that's the TV. Mom won't bug you. Okay? Alright, bye.